system, and we revolve around the sun. Join us to learn about the different planets. Now sing along and have some fun. My name is Mercury. I'm the second hottest planet, but the closest one to the sun. A year on my surface is 88 days. I'm the smallest but lots of fun. My name is Venus. I'm the hottest planet, but the second planet from the sun. I'm the brightest planet in our solar system, and I'm too hot for anyone. My name is Earth. I'm the planet you live on, and the third planet from the sun. I'm the only planet with organic life, so take care of me, 'cause we're all one. There are 8 planets in the solar system, and we revolve around the sun. Join us to learn about the different planets. Now sing along and have some fun. My name is Mars. I am red in color and the 4th planet from the sun. I have the highest mountain in our solar system, a volcano named Olympus Mons. My name is Jupiter. I am covered in clouds, and I'm the 5th planet from the sun. My giant red spot is a raging storm. As for size, I'm the biggest one. My name is Saturn. I am brown in color. I'm the 6th planet from the sun. My outer rings are extremely thin. They're made of dust and icy chunks. There are 8 planets in the solar system, and we revolve around the sun. Join us to learn about the different planets. Now sing along and have some fun. My name's Uranus. I am blue in color. I'm the 7th planet from the sun. I orbit the sun once in 84 Earth years and was discovered in 1781. My name is Neptune, also blue in color. I'm the 8th planet from the sun. I'm the last gas giant in our solar system, and I'm also the coldest one. There are 8 planets in the solar system, and we revolve around the sun. Join us to learn about the different planets. Now sing along and have some fun. I am the first planet from our sun you see. My name is Mercury. Nothing orbits faster than me. The smallest planet with the second hottest degree. My name is Mercury. No one is smaller than me. Messenger of the gods is what Mercury means. The Romans gave me my name, 'cause I'm the fastest they'd seen. A bit bigger I be than the Earth's moon that you see. To fill the Earth one time, it would take 18 of me. I am the first planet from our sun that beams, but I'm the second hottest. I can reach 800 degrees. 88 Earth days is the amount that I take to orbit our sun once. That makes 1 year on me. I am the first planet from our sun you see. My name is Mercury. Nothing orbits faster than me. The smallest planet with the second hottest degree. My name is Mercury. No one is smaller than me. 59 Earth days equals 1 day on me. My surface is made of stone, covered in craters you see. Oxygen, sodium, hydrogen, helium, and potassium make up my exosphere. I have no moons and I have no rings, but I'm the second densest planet amongst other things. I am the first planet from our sun you see. My name is Mercury, nothing orbits faster than me. The smallest planet with the second hottest degree. My name is Mercury, no one is smaller than me. I am Venus, I'm the second planet from the sun, and I'm the slowest rotating one of all the planets in our solar system. Now learn and have some fun. 243 Earth days is how long it takes for me to orbit the sun. That makes just one of my days. I'm 900 degrees, yeah, that's Fahrenheit. I'm the hottest planet in the solar system, that's right. The sun sets in my east and comes up in my west. Due to retrograde rotation, I spin backwards the best. I'm the third brightest object to the naked eye from the planet of Earth when you look up in the sky. I am Venus, I'm the second planet from the sun, and I'm the slowest rotating one of all the planets in our solar system. Now learn and have some fun. Carbon dioxide and sulfuric acid clouds is what makes up my atmosphere, and for this I am very proud. Volcanoes, mountains, craters, and some big lava plains are what make up my bumpy surface, and my clouds make no rain. I was named Venus after the goddess of love. The Romans gave me my name due to my brightness above. I am Venus, I'm the second planet from the sun, and I'm the slowest rotating one of all the planets in our solar system. Now learn and have some fun. I am the Earth, the only planet with organic life. With 8.7 million species, we all fight to survive. You all live on me, so work like bees in a hive, and keep this planet really healthy so that we can all thrive. My atmosphere is 78% nitrogen, another 21% of it is oxygen, and other small percentages of other elements. Without my atmosphere around, you would be frozen. I take 365 Earth days to orbit the sun. 24 hours makes one day, that's just one time that I'm spun. You won't fly off into space, gravity's pulling you down as fast as 9.8 meters a second towards the ground. I am the Earth, the only planet with organic life. With 8.7 million species, we all fight to survive. You all live on me, so work like bees in a hive, and keep this planet really healthy so that we can all thrive. There are 12 different types of climates that exist on me. Moderate, polar, dry, and tropical are 4 groups you see. Then there is continental, it is the 5th category. One climate in no group is highland, way above the sea. I'm the 3rd planet from the sun, no one is denser than me. My axis tilted 23.5, yeah, that's my degree. 4.5 billion years ago is when I was born, you see. I am the Earth, the only planet with organic life. With 8.7 million species, we all fight to survive. You all live on me, so work like bees in a hive, and keep this planet really healthy so that we can all thrive. Let's Let's visit the planet of Mars. There's so much to learn on the planet of Mars. The red planet in a billion stars. Come and sing along about the planet of Mars. On the fourth planet from our burning sun, and the second smallest planet in our solar system. I have the tallest mountain named Olympus Mons. It's the biggest volcano in our whole system. Phobos and Deimos are my two moons. Phobos is larger of the orbiting two. It circles me 3 times a day, and that's true, but it takes 30 hours for Deimos to loop. Let's visit the planet of Mars. There's so much to learn on the planet of Mars. The red planet in a billion stars. Come and sing along about the planet of Mars. I'm 142 million miles away from the sun and its heat, and that's why I'm chilly. When you're on my surface and you probably freeze, I am a cold negative 81 degrees. 24 hours and 37 minutes long is a full day on Mars, so you've learned in this song. 687 is the amount of days it takes to orbit the sun for my year to take place. Let's visit the planet of Mars. There's so much to learn on the planet of Mars. The red planet in a billion stars. Come and sing along about the planet of Mars. Let's visit the planet of Mars. There's so much to learn on the planet of Mars. The red planet in a billion stars. Come and sing along about the planet of Mars. My name is Jupiter, the biggest planet you see. No planet in our solar system is bigger than me. My name is Jupiter, a windy planet I be, and I have 67 moons that rotate round me so free. The Romans gave me my name after their king of the gods, because my size is so massive in the sea of the stars. Callisto, Europa, got a meeting. I'm my 4 biggest moons found by Galileo. I'm the fastest spinning planet in our solar system. 10 hours equals 1 day. My days as short as they come. It takes 12 Earth years for me to orbit the sun. That makes 1 year on my surface. That's a really long run. My name is Jupiter, the biggest planet you see. No planet in our solar system is bigger than me. My name is Jupiter, a windy planet I be, and I have 67 moons that rotate round me so free. 89,000 miles is the amount that I'm wide. I'm so big you could fit 1,000 Earths inside. I've got a giant red spot. It is a raging storm. Scientists think 400 years ago is when it took form. Hydrogen and helium make up most of my atmosphere. I am a gas giant in an impressive sphere. 3.13 is the amount of degrees that I tilt on my axis. Let's sing the chorus, please. My name is Jupiter, the biggest planet you see. That's my gravity pulling towards my surface top. 10 hours and 39 minutes long is a day on my surface. Let's sing this song. I am Saturn, the sixth planet from the sun. I'm known for my rings by everyone. I'm the second largest planet in our solar system. Please come sing along until my teachings are done. Takes 29 years for me to orbit the sun, and my rings are made up of rock and icy chunks. 886 million miles away is my distance from the sun. That is why I'm Chile. Hydrogen and helium are what I'm mostly made of, and my atmosphere from the surface above. 26.7 is the amount of degrees to spin on my axis. I'm so cold that you freeze. I am Saturn, the sixth planet from the sun. I'm known for my rings by everyone. I'm the second largest planet in our solar system. Please come sing along until my teachings are done. I am Saturn, the sixth planet from the sun. I'm known for my rings by everyone. I'm the second largest planet in our solar system. Please come sing along until my teachings are done. I am Uranus and I have 13 rings. Now come sing along and learn about me. Oh, I am Uranus, the seventh planet from the sun. About 17 hours is just one day on me. I have 27 moons named after Shakespeare characters, and I have 13 rings that you can clearly see. About 84 Earth years makes just one Uranian year, and my seasons last about 20 years each. Negative 350 is my average degree, and William Herschel did discover me. I am Uranus and I have 13 rings. Now come sing along and learn about me. About 1.8 billion miles is my distance from the sun, and I am an icy giant. It's so cold on me. My atmosphere is mostly made up of the following three: hydrogen, methane, and helium, He. The tilt of my axis is at 98 degrees. It's one of the steepest tilts in our galaxy. Most of my mass is made up of the following three: water, methane, and ammonia, and H3. I am Uranus and I have 13 rings. Now come sing along and learn about me. 31,500 miles is the diameter of me. That's 4 times the diameter of the Earth you see. I was named Uranus after the Greek sky deity. My blue-green colors from the atmosphere on me. I am Uranus and I have 13 rings. Now come sing along and learn about me. I am Uranus and I have 13 rings. Now come sing along and learn about me. My name is Neptune, the eighth planet from our burning sun. I've got 6 rings made of dust and some rocky chunks. I got my name from the Romans, it means God of the sea. My upper atmosphere has methane, that's why I have blue on me. Hydrogen and helium are the rest of my atmosphere. I have 13 moons with one still waiting to confirm it's here. Minus 392 degrees, an average day on me, and my winds are the strongest than any planet in our system. See, my name is Neptune, the eighth planet from our burning sun. I've got 6 rings made of dust and some rocky chunks. About 165 Earth years makes one Neptunian year. 57.7 Earths could fit in my giant sphere. 2.8 billion miles is my distance from our sun. One day on me is about 16 Earth hours of cold fun. No life as we know it could survive on me. I'm the 4th largest planet in our system, you'd have to agree. My name is Neptune, the 8th planet from our burning sun. I've got 6 rings made of dust and some rocky chunks. listen. I used to be the ninth planet in our solar system, but didn't meet the 3 criteria the IAU had written. 1. A planet must be in orbit around our sun. 2. Has the mass to assume hydrostatic equilibrium. 3. It has cleared the neighborhood around its orbit. And that is the reason that I am now a dwarf planet, son. My name is Pluto, an ex-planet of the solar system. I've been demoted to dwarf planet status, so please listen. I was discovered in 1930 by Clyde Tombaugh. He worked as an astronomer from Lowell Observatory in Arizona. I was named Pluto by an 11-year-old girl named Venetia Burney. Pluto was the Roman god of the underworld. Astronomers recently found I'm the biggest dwarf planet around. 736.3 is my radius and I'm brown. My name is Pluto, an ex-planet of the solar system. I've been demoted to dwarf planet status, so please listen. Maybe the IAU will reverse my status to a planet, but for now I'm happy being a dwarf planet, so there you have it. We are the Earth and the Moon, and you will learn really soon. You can fit the planets in our solar system between us. This is true. We are the Earth and the Moon. We meant to tell you for a while the average distance between us. We will explain to you with a smile. The average distance between the Earth and the Moon is 382,500 kilometers. Here's the other 7 planets fit between us, explaining who they are with some cool features. I am Mercury, the first planet from the sun. I'm the second hottest planet on my run. My average diameter, we do know, is 4,879 kilometers. Add these up as they are shown. I am Venus, the hottest planet, and the second from the sun. I have an average diameter of 12,104 kilometers in the solar system. Hi, I am Mars, the 4th planet from the sun. You should know I have an average diameter of 6,771 kilometers, as I did show. My name is Jupiter, the largest planet, and from the sun I'm number 5. My average diameter is 139,822 kilometers as I thrive. I'm the planet with the prominent rings, the 6th one called Saturn. My average diameter is 116,464 kilometers while I turn. I am Uranus. I am the 7th planet from the solar system's sun. I have an average diameter of 50,724 kilometers. I'm a frozen one. I am Neptune, the 8th and last planet in the solar system, as far as we know. I have an average diameter of 49,244 kilometers. I'm blue as shown. Our total planet diameter size, when added up, is 380,008 kilometers we share. We still have 2,492 kilometers of space to spare. We are the Earth and the Moon, and you will learn really soon. You can fit the planets in our solar system between us. This is true. We are the Earth the moon. We meant to tell you for a while the average distance between us. We will explain to you with a smile. I'm a star called the sun. I'm the center of our solar system. You revolve around me as we fly around the galaxy. All of the planets in our solar system, they orbit while they follow me. 230 million years is the time I take to fly around the Milky Way Galaxy. I don't have a solid surface, I'm made up of gases held together by my own gravity. I'm made of 92.1% hydrogen H2 and 7.8% helium He. I'm a star called the sun. I'm the center of our solar system. You revolve around me as we fly around the galaxy. My core is 25% of my total mass and 27 million degrees. My energy is the reason there is life on Earth. There'll be no charge 'cause I'm totally free. My mass makes up 99.8% of our solar system. Nothing in our system's hot as me. I'm a star called the sun. I'm the center of our solar system. You revolve around me as we fly around the galaxy. Let's fly, 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 let's fly. I rotate the same speed as the Earth, and I'm a natural source of light. I'm the moon. My appearance is gray and white. You only see one half of my surface, whether it's day or night. It's believed I was created 4.5 billion years ago. When a Mars-sized body collided with Earth, their debris formed me real slow. Meteors, asteroids, and comets struck my surface for a billion years, due to the fact that they don't burn up in my thin atmosphere. If you wonder what a moon is, it's a natural satellite, one that orbits a single planet. The planet orbits a star so bright. Scientific observations were first made in 1610 by Galileo Galilei, the astronomer Italian. On the moon, Earth's natural satellite, I rotate the same speed as the Earth, and I'm a natural source of light. I'm the moon. My appearance is gray and white. You only see one half of my surface, whether it's day or night. When the Earth spins on its axis, ocean levels stay the same. Then the moon's gravitational pull creates the tides that we see change. 238,900 miles from the Earth is the distance measured when the first spaceship landed on my turf. The reason you see one half of my surface all the time is because my rotation's the same speed as the Earth taught in this rhyme. It takes 27 Earth days for me to rotate once around. There is no air on my surface, so you won't hear any sound. On the moon, My appearance is gray and white. You only see one half of my surface, whether it's day or night. We are some planets, all different in size. Here's our planetary size comparison for you live. We'll look at each planet, measured by their radius here. There are so many planets that will appear. I am Ceres, I am felt as the largest object in the asteroid belt. I am Orcus, to be direct. I'm a trans-Neptunian object. I'm known as Sedna, if you can stand it. I'm a large minor planet. I am Quorer, you may respect as a trans-Neptunian object. My name's kind of funny, it's Maki Maki. I am a dwarf planet, yeah that's me. Haumea is my name, I'm sixth in line with fame. A dwarf planet, yeah we're not all the same. My name is Aries, I am a dwarf planet. The most massive dwarf in your system yet. You know me as Pluto. I was a planet, but now dwarf you know. I hope the IAU puts me back as a planet though. Who's Kepler 37b? Wait a minute, that's me. An extrasolar planet that you now see. I am Mercury, the second hottest as I'm spun. I'm in your solar system, closest planet to your sun. Come visit this planet so far to learn all about Mars. I'm the 10th largest planet, but not really in charge. My name is Venus, for what that is worth. I'm almost the same size as your beautiful Earth. I'm the Earth on this planetary run. Please take care of me, I'm the planet you all live on. Proxima Centauri b, I'm the planet you see. An exoplanet in a habitable zone, you'd agree. Have you heard about me? Kepler 10b is my name. I have a rocky surface, I'm amazing, some do claim. My surface is a furnace, I'm Coro 7b. 489 light years from the Earth, that's me. Neptune centers Earth size, and my atmosphere's methane, hydrogen, and helium. And I'm the most distant from our burning sun. I'm Uranus, the planet 7th from the sun, yet I'm blue with 13 rings, I'm sure we have met. You know me as Saturn with rings, this is true. I have the most moons in the solar system, now 82. I'm Jupiter, the largest planet in the solar system. I am the 5th planet from the sun. I'm an extrasolar planet, this is 51 Pegasi b. Some think my atmosphere contains water that we may see. I am a planet, my name's Gliss 876d. An extrasolar planet up in this mix, that's me. I'm named HT 100,546b. I am designated the largest known planet you see. We are some planets, all different in size. Here's our planetary size comparison for you live. We'll look at each planet, measured by their radius here. There are so many planets that will appear. I am Bernardinelli Bernstein, a large Oort cloud comet, also called C/2014 UN 271 as of yet. I'm on my way to orbit your sun on my orbital run. Let's learn when and where I will appear in my perihelion. The first image of me was discovered in October of 2014. I was 29 AU or 4.3 billion kilometers from the sun. I was barely seen. That's about as far as Neptune's orbit. The furthest a comet has been discovered. That's where my presence was uncovered. Discovered by astronomers Pedro Bernardinelli and Gary Bernstein. With the Dark Energy Survey, or DES, they had found me in archival images from the DES at the CTI Observatory, which is located in the Coquimbo region in the country of Chile. I'm the largest Oort cloud comet, the biggest you humans ever saw. I'm estimated between 63 and 93 miles across unless I thaw. What is this Oort cloud anyway, surrounding your sun? It's a spherical layer of icy objects outside the orbit of Neptune's run. During 2021, I will approach your solar system sun at a distance of 19.5 or 20.8 AU on my run. Let's take a look at the images here to see my orbit around the sun. My perihelion and aphelion are explained to you just for fun. Perihelion means my closest approach to your sun, as you see here. And aphelion is my furthest orbit from your sun that had just appeared. My closest approach to Earth will be made in 2031, which is just outside of Saturn's orbit. That's my perihelion. My orbital period is about 4.5 million years. My aphelion distance is about 54,000 AU. So I hear. I am sad to say that I won't enter your inner solar system. I may be wide, but you won't see me with your naked eye, and that's no fun. I am 5.5 times as long as Olympus Mons, the solar system's tallest mountain found on Mars. You've learned this in this song. I am classified as a comet, but what exactly is that? I'm a cosmic snowball of rock dust and different types of frozen gas. I am Bernardinelli Bernstein, a large Oort cloud comet, also called C/2014 UN 271 as of yet. I'm on my way to orbit your sun on my orbital run. Let's learn when and where I will appear in my perihelion. Around 28 million light years from Earth, there is a Whirlpool Galaxy. Its name is Messier 51. That's what I'm part of, you see. I am the first exoplanet found outside your Milky Way Galaxy. Since I'm located outside of your galaxy, an exoplanet's what you'd call me. In the constellation of Canis Venatici, you'll find the Whirlpool Galaxy. It goes by the name of Messier 51, or call it M51, it's easy. Inside N51 is a sun-like star 28 million light years from Earth. The star orbits around a neutron star or a black hole. Now let's move forth. I orbit this sun-like star. I am a Saturn-like planet they had found. I am classified as an exoplanet. Outside the Milky Way I was crowned. Out of the thousands of exoplanets found inside the Milky Way Galaxy, researchers use NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory to detect the dimming of X-rays from an X-ray binary. An X-ray binary is a system where a sun-like star is in orbit around a black hole or a neutron star. I do admit it's quite profound. I was discovered based on transits, but what exactly does that mean? It's what happens when a planet crosses in front of a star, blocking its light. It's how I'm seen. This neutron star or black hole is pulling in gas from my star closely orbiting. This material pole becomes superheated, then it glows in X-rays. It's out of this world, that's a thing. I was discovered by the astronomers under Rosanne D. Stefano, you see. The name I was given by my founders is M51ULS1b. Around 28 million light years from Earth, there is a Whirlpool Galaxy. Its name is Messier 51. That's what I'm part of, you see. I am the first exoplanet found outside your Milky Way Galaxy. Since I'm located outside of your galaxy, an exoplanet's what you'd call me. We're the 5 dwarf planets of the solar system in order from the sun. We're the 5 dwarf planets. According to the IAU, we're the only ones. My name is Ceres. I'm the smallest dwarf planet and the closest dwarf to the sun. I'm the largest object in the asteroid belt. Between Mars and Jupiter I run. Scientists think my bright spots are salty deposits made of sodium carbonate and ammonium chloride. I'm the only dwarf planet in the inner solar system, and my surface is completely dry. Hello, I'm Pluto. I used to be the 9th planet in the solar system planetary mix. But when Eris was discovered, it had 27% more mass. The IAU demoted me in 2006. I've since been a dwarf planet in your solar system and have 5 moons that orbit me so nice. I'm thought to have a rocky core which is surrounded by a mantle of water ice. We're the 5 dwarf planets of the solar system in order from the sun. We're the 5 dwarf planets. According to the IAU, we're the only ones. I'm Haumea. I am a dwarf planet and was discovered in 2004 at the Palomar Observatory by astronomer Mike Brown. And I have 2 moons, now here's some more. My elongated shape is thought to be because the fast rotations that I make. Located in the Kuiper belt outside the orbit of Neptune and the 3rd closest dwarf to the sun, for goodness sake. I'm Maki, the 4th dwarf planet from the sun, also located in the Kuiper belt, you see. Discovered in 2005 by Mike Brown and his team at the Palomar Observatory. I have 1 provisional moon, its name is MK2. It's about 13,000 miles from me. I appear to be reddish brown in color, but I'm so far away that you can barely see. My name is Eris. I'm in the Kuiper Belt. I'm the fifth dwarf planet from the sun. I have one known moon, it's named Dysnomia. Its orbit lasts about 16 days on its run. I'm the most massive, but the second largest dwarf planet after Pluto in the solar system. If you wanna learn more about us individually, watch all of Kids Learning to Planet videos at once. We're the 5 dwarf planets of the solar system in order from the sun. We're the 5 dwarf planets. According to the IAU, we're the only ones. I am 2021 PH 27. I am currently the new closest object to the sun. I stole Mercury status of the sun's closest object. I'm here to prove this to you after my facts are checked. Discovered by Scott Shepard at the CTIO on August 13th, 2021 in the country of Chile, you know. Scott Shepard discovered me using the Dark Energy Survey, or DES for short. In space I'm on display. I was discovered at apparent magnitude 19 from the Earth. Let me explain just what that means. Apparent magnitude is a measure of the brightest of a star or other astronomical object observed from Earth so far. I am 2021 PH 27. I am currently the new closest object to the sun. I stole Mercury status of the sun's closest object. I'm here to prove this to you after my facts are checked. My perihelion is closer than Mercury at the closest orbit to the sun. My aphelion is farther than Venus when my orbit is farthest from the sun. I have the smallest semi-minor axis of fun and shortest orbital period among all asteroids as of 2021. I take 113 days to orbit the sun. That makes me the fastest orbiting asteroid, and I'm not done. I'm expected to be larger than 1 kilometer in diameter, next to Mercury's diameter of 4,800 kilometers. I'm smaller, professionally designated 2021 PH 27 while orbiting the sun by the minor planet center on my run. None of this info would be possible without astronomers. Maybe you could study astronomy, it's out of this world, I'm sure. I am 2021 PH 27. I am currently the new closest object to the sun. I stole Mercury status of the sun's closest object. I'm here to prove this to you after my facts are checked. I am 2021 PH 27. I am currently the new closest object to the sun. I stole Mercury status of the sun's closest object. I'm here to prove this to you after my facts are checked. My name is 55. Cancri, also known as Jansen. I'm a super Earth, you see. I'm an exoplanet in the orbit of my host star named Copernicus. Here's what they know about me this far. I was discovered in the month of August on the 30th day in the year of 2004. I convey I was nicknamed the Diamond Planet due to research that suggests I have a carbon-rich composition underneath my surface. I was discovered by a female astronomer. She goes by the name of Barbara MacArthur. The detection method used by astronomers to find me is a method called radial velocity. My host star Copernicus, or 55 Cancri, is from Earth, a 40 light year trip away. My host star is a G-type star similar to your sun. You know I'm 0.01544 AU from my star's globe. My name is 55 Cancri, also known as Jansen. I'm a super Earth, you see. I'm an exoplanet in the orbit of my host star named Copernicus. Copernicus. Here's what they know about me this far. My mass is about 8.08 that of the Earth's. I take 0.7 days to complete one orbit of my star, for what that's worth. I belong to the constellation called Cancer. Here is an example of what it looks like. Of this I am sure. In 2016, in the month of February, NASA's Hubble telescope detected two gases on me. Those gases were hydrogen and helium, with hints of hydrogen cyanide while it was on its run. I am tidally locked just like your moon. That means I have a dark side, you won't see it too soon. Silicates in my atmosphere would condense into clouds on my tidally locked dark side. I commence reflecting the lava from below, so there would be a sparkle in my dark skies that don't show. My day side temperatures average about 4,200 degrees. That is in Fahrenheit, if you please. There are more planets orbiting my host star. We will visit those soon. Keep it on your radar. My name is 55 Cancri, also known as Jensen. I'm a super Earth, you see. I'm an exoplanet in the orbit of my host star named Copernicus. Here's what they know about me this far. Here's the difference between these space rocks that you will see: asteroid, meteoroid, and comets, and some wood stages between. These different celestial bodies are important to learn. We're all part of this universe. Let's give these space rocks their turn. I'm an asteroid, also called a minor planet to some, a rocky airless remnant left over from our solar system's formation. You can find a lot of asteroids orbiting our sun, between Mars and Jupiter. Within the asteroid belt I run, I can range in size from about 329 miles down to 33 feet small. I've been here for a while. I'm made up of different kinds of rocks, and some have clays and metals, such as nickel and iron found in frying pans or kettles. Here's the difference between these space rocks that you will see: asteroid, meteoroid, and comets, and some wood stages between. These different celestial bodies are important to learn. We're all part of this universe. Let's give these space rocks their turn. I'm a meteoroid. I'm smaller than an asteroid you see. My size can range from a grain of dust to a small asteroid. Yeah, that is me. I orbit the sun. I'm made of minerals called silicates, which is silicone and oxygen. I'm glad that you're learning this. I'm also made of heavier metals like nickel and iron. Let's go explore a little more about what other names I can become. If I enter Earth's atmosphere, you'll see a bright tail of light. If this happens and I vaporize, I'm called a meteor, that's right. Some call me a shooting or falling star. I'm only called a meteor if I burn up completely. It's bizarre. But if I make it through the atmosphere and reach the Earth's surface, my name changes to meteorite. That is important to learn this. I'm a comet, which is dust mixed with frozen gas. When fully frozen, I'm about the size of a small town. Through space I do pass. I'm made of ices like water, carbon dioxide, ammonia, and methane, mixed with cosmic dust from our solar system when it began. When I get close to the sun, I heat up and spew dust and gas. This forms a glowing tail that stretches away from the sun. As I pass, a cloud forms around my nucleus from my vaporizing ice. This is called a coma. It can expand 50,000 miles and it looks nice. My tail that formed can expand past 600,000 miles. Thank you for learning about all of us. I hope we made you smile. Here's the difference between these space rocks that you will see: asteroid, meteoroid, and comets, and some wood stages between. These different celestial bodies are important to learn. We're all part of this universe. Let's give these space rocks their turn. I'm an extrasolar planet named 51 Pegasi b, discovered in 1995 at province of 51 Pegasi is my star's name. I know it sounds bizarre. I'm the prototype for a class of planets called hot Jupiters. I'm 1850 degrees Fahrenheit, measured by astronomers. I was first discovered in the year of 1995 at the Hope Province Observatory with their eye tipped towards the sky. The astronomers who discovered me, I will tell you in this song. They are Michelle Mayer and Didier Queloz. They are headstrong. My discovery had won these men a Nobel Prize in Physics. There was nothing to be said about them by their critics. My Jupiter mass is around 0.46. That's my unit of mass, equal to the total mass of Jupiter, the planet. I'm located 50 light years from the constellation Pegasus. You need a very large telescope to see me, this you can trust. In 2015, the IAU announced my chosen name without a laugh. They named me Dimidium, which is an adverb meaning by half. Dimidium is my name because my mass is almost half of Jupiter's. Since my discovery, lots of exoplanets have been discovered. I am much closer to my star than Mercury is to your sun. That is why I'm so hot. Yeah. Well, I am spun. My orbital speed is in miles per hour, 304,000. Now that's a lot of great power. I am thought to be tidally locked to my host star, much like the moon is to your Earth, but not as far. I'm an extrasolar planet named 51 Pegasi B, discovered in 1995 at Haute Province Observatory. I'm an extrasolar planet named 51 Pegasi B. I am formally named Dimidium. Yeah, that is me. I'm 28,978 Ixion, provisional designation 2001 KX76. I'm a large trans-Neptunian object and possibly a dwarf planet in the mix. I'm 28,978 Ixion. I'm located in the Kuiper Belt, a region of icy objects beyond Neptune. I don't think they will melt. The outer solar system is where you'll find me. In the Kuiper Belt beyond Neptune, I can be seen. I was discovered in May in the year of 2001 by the CTIO. That's how this begun. I was discovered by the Deep Ecliptic Survey, a project to find Kuiper Belt objects. It's still going on today. James Elliott found me. He was an American astronomer. I'm classified as a Plutino, that is for sure. I'm 28,978 Ixion, provisional designation 2001 KX76. I'm a large trans-Neptunian object and possibly a dwarf planet in the mix. I'm 28,978 Ixion. I'm located in the Kuiper Belt, a region of icy objects beyond Neptune. I don't think they will melt. I was named after Ixion from Greek mythology. Ixion was the king of the Lepids, the most ancient tribe you see. Though my name is 28,978 Ixion, my provisional designation's 2001 KX76. Have fun. 440 miles, that's my diameter in size. I'm fourth largest Plutino in the night sky. My color is thought to be red, and I may be covered in ice, hidden underneath my thick layer of organic compounds. How nice. I'm 28,978 Ixion, provisional designation 2001 KX76. I'm a large trans-Neptunian object and possibly a dwarf planet in the mix. I'm 28,978 Ixion. I'm located in the Kuiper Belt, a region of icy objects beyond Neptune. I don't think they will melt. Let's learn about the lunar eclipse. It's when the moon darkens as it passes into the Earth's shadow. Please don't miss this. Let's learn about the lunar eclipse. The Earth passes between the moon and the sun till the Earth's shadow I kiss. I'm the moon, you can see me day or night. When you look into the sky, I'm the Earth's natural satellite. You may be asking yourself, what's a lunar eclipse? It's when the Earth passes between the moon and sun like this. When the sun hits the Earth casts a shadow upon me. We'll learn about the shadows, names, and the stages of the eclipse. You will see the penumbra's a partially shaded outer region of the shadow cast by an opaque object like the Earth not letting the light pass. The umbra is the fully shaded area you see here, caused by the opaque object Earth not letting any light pass there. There are 7 stages to this event you will see, caused by the penumbra and umbra. You'll learn these names with me. Stage 1 is the penumbral. It's when I enter the penumbra here and a partial shadow is cast on my surface over there. Stage 2 is a partial eclipse, when the Earth moves between the sun and the moon a bit more, casting more of a shadow upon me. The total eclipse is the name of stage 3. It's when the Earth blocks the rays of the sun completely. The maximum eclipse is stage 4. You may see me turn a reddish color. This is the middle of the total eclipse. To me there is no other. Stage 5 is called the total eclipse, and it's when I touch the umbra internally once again. Stage 6 is called the partial eclipse, and it's when the moon leaves the umbra, moving to the penumbra again. The penumbral eclipse end is the final stage you see. It's when the moon leaves the penumbra and the sun shines itself on me. Let's learn about the lunar eclipse. It's when the moon darkens as it passes into the Earth's shadow. Please don't miss this. Let's learn about the lunar eclipse. The Earth passes between the moon and the sun till the Earth's shadow I kiss. Let's learn about the lunar eclipse. It's when the moon darkens as it passes into the Earth's shadow. Please don't miss this. Let's learn about the lunar eclipse. The Earth passes between the moon and the sun till the Earth's shadow I kiss. I'm 2002 MS4, a large classical Kuiper Belt object. Let me tell you more. I'm 2002 MS4. I belong to the Kuiper Belt beyond Neptune, I'm sure. I'm 2002 MS4, a large classical Kuiper Belt object. Let me tell you more. I'm 2002 MS4. I belong to the Kuiper Belt beyond Neptune, I'm sure. My name's 2002 MS4. I was discovered in 2002 by those who do explore. I was discovered by 2 top astronomers at the Palomar Observatory. When passing, I was a blur. Chad Trujillo and Michael Brown were the legendary astronomers who did track me down. In 2019, I was recorded for fun at 46.5 AU from your sun. I'll reach perihelion, which means I'm closest to your sun, in the year 2122 on my orbital run. I'm 2002 MS4, a large classical Kuiper Belt object. Let me tell you more. I'm 2002 MS4. I belong to the Kuiper Belt beyond Neptune, I'm sure. My estimated size and diameter is around 800 km, that's kilometers. I'm thought to have a comparable size with dwarf planet Ceres, making me the largest unnamed solar system object as of 2020. I'm one of the 10 largest trans-Neptunian objects currently known, and large enough to be considered a dwarf planet as shown. I currently do not have any known moons orbiting me, so an estimate of my mass cannot be made, you see. An observation in 2019 suggests I may be oblate in shape along a diameter on me. I'm 2002 MS4, a large classical Kuiper Belt object. Let me tell you more. I'm 2002 MS4. I belong to the Kuiper Belt beyond Neptune, I'm sure. I'm 2002 MS4, a large classical Kuiper Belt object. Let me tell you more. I'm 2002 MS4. I belong to the Kuiper Belt beyond Neptune, I'm sure. That's my name, it is true. My provisional designation's 2015 TG387. I'm nicknamed the Goblin, now let's begin. An extreme trans-Neptunian object in a sednoid in the outer solar system is what I am, I can't avoid. I was nicknamed the Goblin because of the TG in my name, and because I was discovered near Halloween in 2015. October 2015 was when I was discovered by astronomers at the MKO, is how I was uncovered. My discovery was made by Chad Trujillo, David Tholin, and Scott Shepard, you know. I was discovered using the Subaru telescope. They also probed with the Blanco 4M telescope, looking out from the globe. 541,132. Lalia Kuanua is my official name. I have trouble saying it too. I never come within 80 astronomical units to the sun, and I get as far as 2300 AU from the sun on my run. You think a year on Earth is long, well mine is longer. I admit 35,760 is 1 year in my orbit. I have a very elongated orbit along with Sedna on my trek. Astronomers believe this orbit exists because of hypothetical planet X. I never come near the major outer planets astronomers have checked. 541,132. Lalia Kuanua, that's my name, it is true. My provisional designation's 2015 TG387. I'm nicknamed the Goblin, now let's begin. There's probably 10,000 small dwarf-like planets in our outer solar system beyond Pluto. Now, isn't that fun? These dwarf-like planets are very small, that makes them hard to uncover. With technology improving, you could be the one to discover. 541,132. Lalia Kuanua, that's my name, it is true. My provisional designation's 2015 TG387. I'm nicknamed the Goblin, now let's begin. I'm 20,000 Varuna, I'm here to teach you correct. I was classified as a trans-Neptunian object. I'm 20,000 Varuna, you can call me Varuna for short. I am oval in shape, and I'm here to teach and report. My name is 20,000 Varuna, I'm sure your eyes are transfixed. My provisional designation's 2000 WR106. I was discovered in December in the year of 2000 by American astronomer Robert S. McMillan during a spacewatch at KPNO. I have an elongated shape due to my rapid rotation as shown. I was named after the Hindu deity. Varuna is my name, please say it back to me. I'm 20,000 Varuna, I'm here to teach you correct. I was classified as a trans-Neptunian object. I'm 20,000 Varuna, you can call me Varuna for short. I am oval in shape, and I'm here to teach and report. I'm a possible dwarf planet located in the Kuiper Belt. In the outer solar system is where my presence is felt. Info from my light curve says I'm a Jacobi ellipsoid. My elongated shape's due to my rapid rotation among the asteroids. My rapid rotation period is 6.34 hours. January 2001 is when it was first measured. The color of my surface is moderately red due to the complex organic compounds astronomers said. Water ice is thought to be present on my surface. Because of past collisions I was exposed, now you're learning this. No natural satellites have been recorded around me yet, but in 2019 I may have a satellite, astronomers suggest. I'm 20,000 Varuna, I'm here to teach you correct. I was classified as a trans-Neptunian object. I'm 20,000 Varuna, you can call me Varuna for short. I am oval in shape, and I'm here to teach and report. I'm a supermassive black hole found in the center of almost all massive galaxies. I'm a supermassive black hole. There are theories of how I'm formed. Come and join me and see. There are three types of black holes according to theory: primordial, stellar, and supermassive like me. The primordial's a tiny hypothetical black hole. In 1974, Stephen Hawking theorized its role. Primordials were formed in the early universe, but we'll learn about this more when I teach that topic's course. On to the most common type called a stellar black hole. But let's first see why a star exists before it loses control. The pressure from nuclear fuel in the core pushes outward so greatly, while a force of equal power pushing in is caused by gravity. This equal pressure does create the star's main sequence stage. This means the star is stable in its present burning age. When stars with your sun's mass run out of nuclear fuel in its core, it becomes a red giant, then quietly becomes a white dwarf. But stars with 25 times the mass of your solar system sun runs out of nuclear fuel, its gravity crushes the core, and it becomes a stellar black hole. It's the most common type in the universe. After the chorus I'll tell you how I'm created, of course. I'm a supermassive black hole found in the center of almost all massive galaxies. Earth's gravity. The innermost stable orbit's the last place material orbits safely, without the risk of falling past the point of no return in me. A photon sphere's a location where gravity is so strong that light can travel in circles, and orbiting the black hole are photons. I feed on stars, dust, or gas and produce jets of near light speed, blasting particles of radiation up from my poles, as you can see. These are relativistic jets, and my last part I'll talk about. Now it's time to